Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a transfer in Wise. Well, basically there is one way of making transfer in Wise. That's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, which is pretty simple and pretty fast. Now, first of all, I want you to go ahead and open your Wise in your device. If you are using, for example, your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open it from App Store if you are using iOS. If you are using, for example, Android, you can just go to the Google Play and open it from there. Now, for me as a PC user, I will go to any kind of browsers and then go to the URL section and open Wise. So here we go. And then I will click on the first website and here we go. Now, what I'm going to do in order to make a transfer is we have two kind of transfer, guys: send money or receive money. So let's go first with send money, which is pretty simple. Here you put either you want it to be international, like international currency, or the same currency, for example, euros to euros, USD to USD. And if you want to make international from euros to, for example, to another thing, you can choose this international. But I highly suggest that if you are going to make the same currency, make this one because it is faster and it saves a lot of money. So now let's go back with international. You have to put here the amount of money that you want to send and here the other currency. And here we'll receive some details. You could save up to 23 euros and it will be at your account by Wednesday, 8th February. So let's click on continue. Personal. After that, you have to activate your account. So put here your informations, then continue. And then here you will have to put the recipient information. So just his email and his name will be enough. After that, the review, they will review your affirmations. And after that, you will pass to the payment. And just like so, you will have made a transfer. If you want to make a receive money, it is simply the same thing. Open, you just have to like make an account and verify your account, and just like so, you just put the amount of money that you want to receive and the email of the guy of the person that will send you the money. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.